How to activate Neo's credit card and link offers. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily activate your Neo credit cards and link offers. First of all, you're going to have to open your web browser, click on the search bar and simply search for Neo's credit card and hit enter. Now you'll find the Neo Financial website right here for their credit cards and apply for the credit cards online. Open this up. And all you have to do is first log into your account. If you don't have one, you can click on get started, but you can just tap on this login button. And here you're going to have to provide your email address. Once you enter your email address, then just go ahead and enter your password. If you want to view your password, click on this I button right here to verify your password. And then if you somehow forgot your password, open this link up that says forgot your password to recover your account. Once you log in, you'll be able to find your Neo's credit card on the homepage or on the credit card section. This link specifically will directly take you to the credit card section, and then there you'll be able to see a list of your credit cards. Select the one that you want to activate, tap on activate, and then just follow the on-screen prompts. And then you should be able to activate your Neo's credit card. That is pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.